Welcome to the Imran.Family kitchen. Today we are going to show you how to make smashed potatoes. So let's continue with the video. Okay, you saw how to make these wonderful smashed potatoes. Super crispy, super tasty. You gotta give it a try. And make sure, like the smashed potato, you smash the subscribe button. Catch you in the next one.